speak to a member of staff or text us on 61016 and we'll get it sorted. That's 61016. See it, say it,
I've got it in the document anyway, so I've got the emails all in the document so I can share it with you, but
yeah, that's so funny.
Somewhere else, south.
To ensure fairness for all customers, our trains are patrolled by uniformed and plainclothes revenue protection team, and customers without a valid ticket may be issued with a minimum penalty fare of £100 or face prosecution. Thank you for your understanding.
Very good morning, if you join the service recently, so South Western Railway service to Portsmouth Harbour. We are an in-coach service, we do a few short platforms. Please listen closely, travel to list, road cars on bed Hampton, in front 6 coaches, coaches 1 to 6 for Romans Castle, list or bed Hampton. If you need assistance from myself, we know you can currently find coach number 5 and I will be making way throughout the journey. If you have any questions, safety information can be all carriages. And once again, the next station called on the service will be Guildford.
No, but that's how we used to do previously. Then adding few of them
Oh, really?
but it was just one of those things I just wanted to make out of
This
it.
is Hilton. This train is for Portsmouth Harbour. The next station is Barker.
Part of that freedom. They were like trying to cancel that has to be
Oh, right. Yeah.
so what I've been done is they contacted the supplier directly
Oh.
and supplier that reached out to us like they've been asking for quantity because you guys are just
Yeah.
so you give them yes
Totally did it.
don't do it
Oh, shit.
yeah it should be not like confidence
Yeah.
but don't quite chill like that
Alright.
all the payments and everything we should be like
So it wasn't, you specific.
it was just
part of it.
it was just like
Yeah.
which even for like group is not a part of
Really? So there's other.
it's funny that I think road one whole thing is a bunch of
This is British Transport Police. If you notice something out of the ordinary, speak to a member of staff or text us on 61016 and we'll get it sorted. That's 61016. See it, say it, sorted.
A disruption may affect your journey back. Here we go.
To ensure fairness for all customers, our trains are patrolled by uniformed and plainclothes revenue protection teams, and customers without a valid ticket may be issued with a minimum penalty fare of £100 or face prosecution. Thank you for your understanding.
Eyeball attached. How do you argue that? How do you say that?
Legacy files, simple they're all simple as it's not even except that. Any object tickets, please?
It's tailored for us.
station is Barker.
You'd mentioned it actually. I think you'd also mentioned it. Yeah, they're quite expensive. No.
Yeah. I'm not sure if we did still all the
Right.
This is Barker. This train is for Portsmouth Harbour. The next station is Godalming.
Yeah. Lakeport is actually 6 to 8 weeks. They recommend.
It's actually possible.
Very good.
Geoming just these guys, they give you an option. You can get it faster, but it's a little bit more expensive. Even Geoming does that, but I don't think they can match most because I don't think given the regards of our budget, it's just easier about trying.
Yeah. It's cheaper. I think you mentioned they're quite busy with F1 work as well. With the contracts and teams.
I think that's pretty much everywhere, but I think now that would have calmed down a little bit.
Yeah, the season started.
I don't think
You watch any of the races?
yeah.
Mercedes seems to be quite ahead of the ball. It's almost like that at the start of the season, isn't it?
No, I mean, it's mostly because I'm
The next station is Godalming. Please mind the gap.
he's now asking